Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you how I am going to shop for free at the next Sephora VIB sale. And not only is it free, I'm going to be getting over $420 worth of makeup at that sale too. So let's start talking about how you can do that too. So my plan is to, for starters, use some of my gift cards I have. I've been holding on to some since Christmas. So I have a $100 gift card and a $20 gift card. So right there, that gives me $120. My next thing that I'm doing is I have been saving my EBATES gift cards that I get. So if you haven't signed up for EBATES before, this is so important that you do this. If you've heard of EBATES, great. Go ahead and leave a comment down below and tell me how much you've earned since you signed up with them. But for the rest of you that haven't, let me explain just how easy this is, and I'll try to make it as quick as possible. Basically, EBATES has partnered up with over 2,500 different retailers out there, and it's pretty much anybody you can think of, from Sephora, Ulta, Macy's, Amazon, Home Depot, no, I don't think Home Depot, Walgreens, Walmart, Hotels.com, airlines, QVC, HSN, all these places. There's literally over 2,500 of them. So when you go to shop online, then what you do is you start an EBATES ticket at that store. All you got to do is go to ebates.com, make sure you're signed into your account, click on the name of the retailer you're going to shop at. It opens up a ticket, you do your normal shopping, and then as soon as that gets reported back to them, you get that money in your account with EBATES. So it can be anywhere from 1% all the way up to, I've seen like 15% cash back on your sales. So since I've been a member of EBATES, it's been probably about 2.5, maybe close to 3 years now, I've earned over $1,200 in cash back. And when I say cash back, what they do is every quarter they literally send you a check. There's no sign-up fees. You can quit this at any time. I don't know why you'd want to quit. There's no tricks to it or anything whatsoever. It's just flat back. You get your cash back. Now, if you happen to be shopping on your desktop computer or a laptop, and if you're using Chrome as your browser, they also have a Chrome extension that you can add onto your computer. And when you're at a retailer site that they partner with, you'll get a little pop-up up in the corner. It just says, hey, you get 3% cash back. Do you want to activate this or not now? So you hit activate. That's all you have to do. Say not now, then you're not really going to be doing any shopping. So it's so simple and easy to do. And now what I get, because I think I've been with them for so long, is rather than send me a check, I get an email from them every quarter that says, hey, rather than you have to wait for your, they call it your big old fat check. So if you don't want to have to wait for that, if you want to select an e-gift certificate from any of our retailers that are listed below, then pick one of those and we will send you an e-gift card, but you also get bonus cash on top of that. So for example, I always pick Sephora and they're always an extra 10% cash back. So that means if I have a $100 gift card or $100 in cash coming back from EBATES, if I do an e-gift card, I'll actually get $110 back. So I always select that. So I have saved my one from last year, and I will be getting another one at the very beginning of April, so I'll have that in time to use for the VIB sale, since that's always right about mid-April sometime. Now, if you want to sign up with EBATES, I have a link down below in my description box. If you use that link, you're going to get a $10 welcome bonus from EBATES after you've made your first qualifying purchase of $25 or more online. So you don't have to use my link. If you want to just go sign up with them, that's fine. But you can go ahead and use that and again get that $10 welcome cash on top of that. So that makes it kind of nice to be able to have that for your first check that you get as well. You also do get cash back from referring people. So yes, I will make a little bit of money off of your signing up under me. And then they also have sometimes in-store cash back. So you want to check that on a regular basis right around the first of the month. Currently Sephora is, or at least they were, I'll have to look and see. They are, from time to time, they do show up as one of the stores that you can get in-store cash back. What you have to do is register your debit or credit cards with EBATES that you want to use for that. and then go in and sign up and just basically link them. All you have to do is click on it and say link this card, link this card, link this card to these stores. And then when you go shopping, do not use your debit card as a debit card. Select credit. You have to physically sign for it, and that's going to give you the cash back in the store as well. And then every once in a while, some of these retailers will have double cash back. And then like once a year, they do a triple cash back even. So for example, right now, Sephora, normally 4%, is currently 8%. So you can't miss doing your shopping like that. Okay, one more thing that I have to use as my free cash for shopping is because I am a Sephora VIB Rouge member. Now, if I can save up 2,500 points, I can cash that in and get a $100 Sephora gift card. So I've done that already. Saving up for my next one, because this is the second one I've actually received on this. So that'll be pretty nice. So with that being said, I have a $100 gift card. I have a $100 Rouge reward card. I have my last EBATES e-gift card of $41.05. I didn't shop that much during that last quarter. I have a new EBATES gift card that as of this moment, with the extra 10% cash back that I'll get from Sephora, that's another $91.24. And then I have my $20 Sephora gift card that I also got. You add those all up, and that comes to $352.29. That's not a single penny out of my wallet. Now, because I am a Sephora VIB Rouge customer, I get 20% off any of my purchases. So really, for every $100 that I would buy in makeup, I'm only spending $80 of my gift cards. So that means I'm really going to be able to spend $422.75 in shopping. And again, not spending any of my money whatsoever. So I'm going to have quite the haul for the next sale. I need to start planning for that, figure out what it is I want to get. And if you want to see me do a video on what I'm going to recommend and the things I'm getting, then leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. And again, if you are a member of EBATES, leave a comment down below. And if you want to sign up, use my link, and hopefully you guys can start saving some money. It may not be in time for this next sale, but hopefully for the one that they have in the fall, you'll be able to save up some money for that too. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. As always, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Make sure you also hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. That's every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And until next time, I love you all. Bye-bye.